How to make money as a photographer. In last 2 episodes, we discussed email marketing and web hosting companies for photography business. What are we going to be talking about in today's episode? That's right, it's Money Monday, episode number 3. My name is Zdenka Derola. I work as a photographer for many years. I'm a former model and a few other things. Do you know the feeling when you have a conversation with somebody, it's going great, you're talking, and suddenly the person asks you, do you have a business card? Well, either you forgot one, or you didn't have one, or you simply didn't even make one yet. Do photographers even need business cards these days? Yes, absolutely, and I have them everywhere. I have them in my wallet, in my purse, in my camera bag, on the shelf, even in the car, everywhere. Well, before I introduce you to online printing companies, let me get through all the tips first. Should you go with one page, foldable, double side, one side, small or big? I know it can be sometimes tricky to design business cards. Well, I decided to go with all my contact information on one side and my best photos on the back of the card right here. It's basically a mini portfolio on the go. Usually when I'm talking to somebody and I'm giving them the business card, they first look at my contact, they flip over, and once they have the visual, they see the photos. They usually start asking me more questions on the type of services I'm doing, the type of photography I'm offering. Then sometimes we talk about pricing as well, all the packages, and it gives me definitely better chance to make a sale. And you can totally do what I'm doing, or you don't have to. It's totally up to you. For me, I rather have this mini portfolio on the back rather than just contact information up front and maybe just my photo. I have seen many business cards with a very busy background, and it is very distracting from the font. I don't suggest it. Keep it very simple. One color is actually the best as a background. Then when it comes to font, a lot of people are wearing glasses. If you keep the font very small, they are not gonna be able to read it. And actually my font is pretty small as well. So keep it big and bold. All they want to see is your phone number, email address, and website address. That's all they want. Simply said, don't concentrate on a very difficult design. Keep it very simple. Especially when you are starting out, let your photos speak. Make that contact, get the new clients you want. People just really want to see your name, your email, phone number, website address. That's all they really care about. Once you build your brand, once you build your name and you are known, then you can make some very fancy business card. One very practical advice, don't print too many business cards. I'm so guilty as charged. I was working on trade shows, so I printed too many. Now I'm stuck with them. So when you are creating your business cards, maybe you realize that something is not working on them very well. You might want to change photos and such, so just print few at the beginning. When you give them out, give 2, never 1. I always smile and say 1 for you and 1 for your friend. I had many referred clients to me that way. Also, when I'm sending out packages with photos or the final products to my clients, I always make sure there are 2 cards, never 1. So what are currently popular printing companies online? Vistaprint.com. They've been around forever. They have great pricing and tons of options to choose from. Staples.com. If you are looking for just basic cards and basic printing, they definitely can do that, and they have great pricing. Jukeboxprint.com. They have everything from basic business cards to higher-end business cards where you can find some very cool designs as well. EliteFlyers.com. It's a higher end of business cards They have a very large selection of templates. Moo.com. You'll find everything from simple cards to a luxury ones, and they offer a lot of designs. Well, my friends, give those business cards out. Give them out. They will definitely bring you some business there. Let me know what printing company have you used in past and how happy you were with it in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions or comments, or simply want to say hello, please do so in that comment section below as well. You know I read them all and I always respond. Thank you so much and I'll see you next week. Ciao, ahoy!